Remember, 92% of day traders trying to scalp lose money. Only 8% are successful, and of the 8%, only 2% make money on a consistent basis. Why do those 92% of day traders fail, and what makes the 8% successful? Lack of a plan and a set of rules, in our opinion, is what makes 92% of day traders fail. Following other people and just taking trades when you don't have a reason to take the trade other than somebody else said so. Active Trader Setups trading package is designed for day trading and swing trading. Got 4 basic setups, 2 longs and 2 shorts, trigger prices on the chart real time. Develop a plan with trading rules and discipline